Welcome back to the channel where I teach you everything you need to know about tufting. This was a highly requested video. A lot of you have been asking how to project your designs onto the fabric itself. So today I'm going to explain exactly how to do that, and I'll go a little in depth as well. Now the first thing that you need is actually a tripod or some type of stand that you can put the projector on. Now a tripod like this will do as long as it has a sturdy base. Now the next thing that we need is actually the projector. Now within this package we have the projector itself right here, and then I also provided myself with a Mac adapter, the power cord, and the HDMI cord. Now I'm assuming that everyone knows how to set up a projector, so I'm just going to skip that part. Now most projectors are actually able to be used with tripods or any type of stand. So make sure that it has some type of divot or hole in the bottom. It's not something that's hiding, it should be in plain sight. Now once you have everything all set, take your HDMI cord, plug it into your laptop, whatever laptop works. Next, turn on the projector. After that, pick the image you want to project. Now that you've chosen your image, it should pop up right on the fabric. Make sure you flip your image. The reason you do this is because if you don't, then anything you make will come out backwards. Words or the design itself. Make sure you do this step. On preview, make sure you go to tools and horizontal. On Photoshop, just right click and you should be able to see flip horizontal. Now that you've chosen your image, now you have to pick the size and make sure that the picture is focused on the frame itself. You might be asking, how do you make sure that it's focused? Well, on the projector there should be a couple of dials or even some settings that you can change in order to make sure that it's focused. Also make sure that the projector is straight on with the fabric. On some projectors you have the option called tilt, and that also allows you to have the projector not be straight on with the fabric or the frame. It can actually be lower or higher than the frame and still have a flat on image. That will just be a dial that you move back and forth and it will tilt. Now if you don't have that, make sure that the projector is straight on so that you will have a flat image. On some projectors that option will also be called keystone. Now on many projectors just like mine, there is not a way to change the size. Now there's two ways to fix this problem. First way is by moving the projector either closer or farther, and the second way is actually just adjusting the image on the computer itself or any type of photo editing software. Now to some this might seem pretty costly, but most projectors actually cost around anywhere from $60 to $100. So if you're seeing tufting as a possible job opportunity, then this is definitely an investment for yourself. This will make the process much faster, especially because I've seen other people do paper transfers, which I could only imagine how much effort that takes. And I'm not saying that to knock anyone. Everyone has their own things and everyone goes at their different paces. But like I was saying, that requires much more effort than plugging it in to your laptop and then just turning it on. I know many of you might have thought it was much more complicated, but I'm really hoping that I simplified it for you and kept you entertained. Now of course, if you don't know the rest of this process and you don't know how to tuft or transfer the image, draw and label anything, then make sure you watch my video, How to Tuft for Beginners. That will show you the entire process step by step, and it's very simplistic. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click that like button and subscribe for more content. Also, please let me know if this video helped you in the comment section below. I will see you guys next time. Peace.
When I told you that you were the one, I still mean it now.